Protect the value of your vehicle's seat bottom with our lavish faux leather and Neo Supreme seat cushion pads with front slip pocket. These superior cushions are durably built for extra comfort. They are semi-customized to fit most vehicles and are simple to install. Start by placing the cover over the seat bottom. Now attach the butterfly discs to the elastic loops. Then push the discs through the crevice of the seat bottom and secure it to the back side. Position the discs upward against the back of the seat. For a more secure, snug fit, use the metal clips provided and connect it to the elastic loop. Then stretch the loop and the clip under the seat and attach it to the seat bottom. It's that simple. These quality cushions feature a non-slip silicone backing on the underside to keep the cushion in place, and the front includes a built-in slip pocket to keep all your personal items close at hand. These pads are available in faux leather and Neo Supreme or premium leatherette. Choose from 5 vibrant color designs and personalize your ride in a lavishly comfortable way.